Good morning, students. Welcome to 6th Standard Science, Unit 3 Changes Around Us. Okay, this is going to be a very interesting and easy part in the science. Children, tell me one thing, which is the constant thing in the world? Okay, the constant thing around the world is the change. Okay, this is the constant thing in the world is the change. Okay, have you blown a balloon? See, a balloon before blowing will be like this, and after blown is it has gone to the this type of change, is it? Volume, is it? So about this lesson we are going to see what are the classification of changes and what are the examples of each session, and finally dissolution, that is what is a solvent, what is a solute, and what is a solution. Okay, it's a very simple and easily you can understand, so that I'll be giving you the simple examples. Okay, first of all, the changes are totally classified into five main categories. They are slow and fast change, reversible and irreversible change, physical change and chemical change, desirable and undesirable change, natural and man-made. Children, I am going to tell you examples of each, and then I'll be helping you to understand it clearly. Okay, now take your reader, so page number 32, and we'll see one by one examples, one by one. Okay, slow change example, have you seen the growing of a nail, your hair? Can you see the change of seasons? Have you seen a germination of seed? Okay, this type of changes will take place very slowly, so that we can't see it through. Okay, that after getting changed only we can able to see, oh, our nail has grown up. Okay, so this types of changes which occurs very slowly for a very long period of time is called a slow change. Fast change, paper. Okay, it and all these changes will occur very fastly, so it comes under fast change. Now, what are reversible and irreversible change? Have you seen the plant touch me not? Okay, see here, this is a touch me not plant. Okay, if you touch the leaves, what happens is, see, the leaf started to shrink. Okay, then again if we leave it as such, it goes to its normal position. So this type of change is called as a reversible change. Have you made a paper boat? See, you can make it, then from paper it has changed to boat, and then again if we unfold the boat, we can make it to a small square paper. So this type of changes are called as reversible. What is an irreversible change? Changes which cannot be reversed to get back to the original state are known as irreversible. Okay, example, burning of a candle, piercing a balloon with a pin. Okay, if you take a pin and pierce it with a or fires it on the balloon, what happens? It bursts and we can't bring the balloon to its original position. The same manner, burning of a candle, again we can't bring it to the original shape. Okay, it's gone, it's molten form, it will become into a molten form. The same manner, there are two types. Another type is the physical and the chemical change. Physical changes, see, have you seen ice, water, and vapor? See, this is the very best example for a physical change. That is, Then steam again on cooling will become into water, and water again bringing it to a freezing temperature will become the ice. See, these are the three states of uh, water which is formed in three different forms, that is solid, liquid and gaseous form. But this is a typical example for a physical change. See, okay, now coming to uh, desirable and undesirable change. In between they have given dissolution. We'll go to the desirable and the undesirable change. Okay, desirable change is the one which are useful and are not harmful to our environment. That is, ripening of a fruit, growth of a plants, cooking of food, milk changing into curd. Okay, these are desirable, which we expect it to happen. They are useful. And coming to the undesirable change, say cutting down the trees or decaying of fruit and rusting of iron, molds getting formed in the bread molds, everything. These are the undesirable change. Then the next thing type of change is the natural change and the human made change. See, this is the last category where natural changes is planting of seeds. Okay, then which we cook. Okay, cooking is a natural change we are making. Okay, then examples: rotation of the earth, change, cultivating crop, construction of buildings and cooking also. See, these are artificial changes which are made by human. Okay, with this the types of changes are getting over. Now the dissolution is a simple, very simple and a separate topic given, where what is dissolution is the spreading of solid particles among the liquid molecules is called as dissolution. Okay, here the solvent, solute and solution. Okay, solvent is a substance that dissolves the solute. Solute is a substance that is dissolved in a solvent to make a solution. When solute is dissolved in a solvent, it forms a solution. Okay, see here, just take salt, a little 1 tablespoon of salt and little water. Okay, this salt is known as the solute. Okay, solvent is the water. Finally, the salt water which you are getting is the solution. That's what is given. Solvent, it makes the solute to dissolve. Solute is that mixes with the solvent, and here the final product which we are getting is known as the solution. Okay children, with this lesson gets over. All the points to remember, just go through it one by one, and I'll be posting the PDF for your kind reference, and then that you have to write it in your classwork. Okay children, thank you.